Hey, put it on your french fries, Sarah. Yeah. You can put some on your french fries or your chicken nuggets. Or just eat it that way. Silly. You can get it in your eye, be still. Well, it'd burn if you get it in your eyes. Is it good? Should mommy freeze you some? Make you a lollipop with it? Need some more? No, that's enough. That's enough. You work on that. I thought we were going to skip your bath tonight. You've got plenty.